Hey, everybody, and welcome back to Wealthy Coin. Shib exponential rise of Shiba Inus will make us rich. Explained. Shiba Inu has set a new record after 2 months of dropping. Shiba Inu dropped by more than 30% about 2 weeks ago, around the same time that Bitcoin fell below the $29,000 mark. The token was very close to putting a zero in the indexes, but as the market started to rebound, it was able to avoid doing so. We'll talk about Shib in this movie. If the number of Shiba Inus keeps growing at an exponential rate, we'll be worth $1 million. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe to the channel to see the latest Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis. So, let's start the video right away. Even with the drop, buyers are still buying more cryptocurrency on Coinbase. Shib trading has hit a new high because 77% of investors have it on buy and only 23% have it on sell. Since March, buying pressure on Shibs hasn't been able to go above 70%. Still, the token reached this goal yesterday, when it reached 77%. The last time that the number of ships doing business went up by 90% was in September of last year. In October, it went up by 1,000% in just a few days. Since the asset has not yet recovered from the oversold region, the technical signs for Shiba Inu are more proof that the market is currently in a negative mood. This adds to the pressure that is being put on the market to go down in 2021. One of the best performing coins was Shiba Inu, whose value went up by 48 million%. Shiba Inu costs 1,069 cents right now, which is a 0.4% increase over the last 24 hours. But, according to CoinMarketCap, the number of transactions has dropped by 40.98% in the last 24 hours. Analysts think that now is the time to keep Shiba Inu tokens instead of selling them. Shiba Inu could see a huge increase in activity and demand if the real estate giant lets tenants pay their rent in cryptocurrency. Jamestown has said that they will accept cryptocurrency as rent for their US properties, and the company is on track to carry out its plans for European growth. Because of this partnership, coins like Shiba Inu are more useful in the real world. The president of Jamestown, a real estate company based in Atlanta, Georgia, Michael Phillips, thinks that crypto will be a big part of Jamestown's plans to use virtual integration to bring tech-based innovation to the business. Shiba Inus have been used in the real world in fast food restaurants, and a number of businesses have teamed up with the crypto payment app Now Payments or BitPay. Real estate companies all over the world now accept Shiba Inu payments. The big real estate company said they wouldn't hold cryptocurrency but would accept payments through a partnership with BitPay. Analysts have looked at how the price of Shiba Inus has changed over time and forecast that they will go up again in meme coins since January 2022. Shib has been trading between 3,925 cents and 1,079 cents, unless the bulls start to turn support at 3,925 cents into resistance. Investors shouldn't think that their investments will do well. Even though Shib will continue to move in a narrow range in the coming weeks, swing and intraday traders will have a lot of chances. If the stop losses are respected and the goal price isn't taken for granted, a good trading system and strong psychology can guarantee success. But traders who have been waiting for a ship to start a bull cycle should not take a long position because the indicators show that the bears are likely to win. In an interesting way, the width of the Bollinger Bands shows that volatility has stopped for a while. If you are a beginner seller with a low risk tolerance, market cap and volume will help you figure out where to enter the market. Even though volume has gone up at odd times since April 13, market capital has continued to move in the same way it always has. This can't be a good sign for buyers who want to earn money quickly. Also, it's well known that trading psychology is important. But if you look at the social volume measure of the token, you can see that investors were very interested in Shib on April 21, perhaps because they thought the price would go up. On that day, 5.79% of people were using meme tokens. But because the traffic was going down, Shib's investors were not impressed by and large. The Shib ecosystem is in a bad place right now. If the King coin doesn't wake up from its bearish slumber, Shib won't go paragliding, since Shib's correlation with Bitcoin at press time was 0.98, according to burn tracking platform Shib Burn. Over the past 24 hours, a huge amount of Shiba Inu has been locked up in wallets that can't be used. Over 500 million meme coins have been moved to wallets that lead nowhere. In the meantime, whales have been buying Shib more than ever because their stolen Shiba Inu stash has grown by almost 25%. Jim Byrne tweeted that several fighters in the Shib army had burned a total of 525,200,039 meme coins, with 93,303,458 Shib and 82,140,154 4 hours ago being the biggest single transactions. But the burn rate has gone down by 26.99%. On May 24, Today reported that a mind-blowing 22 billion ships had been burned over the past week, and Whale's Stats on-chain data service said that 667 million K9 tokens had been forever locked in wallets that couldn't be used. On May 23, Ethereum Whales added about $200 million worth of Shiba Inu to their portfolios. They had Shib worth a total of $588,788,065. This amount is now the same as $833,034,530 in Shiba Inu. At the time of writing, the amount of Shib in Whales stock has gone up from 16% to 15.86%. Shiba Inu, the 16th biggest cryptocurrency, is now worth 115 cents after dropping 6.65% in the last 24 hours. The meme coin is now worth 86.93% less than its all-time high of 80 cents, which was set 7 months ago in October. Shib says that in the last 48 hours, more than 500 million Shiba Inu coins have been thrown away. More than half of the Shib that was destroyed was in the largest burn deal, which had 295,559,819 coins. Even though Shiba Burn just came out at the end of April, the Shiba Swamp portal has brought back a lot of investment interest in Shiba Inu. Since Shiba Inu is decentralized, Shiba Inu buyers must send Shib tokens to a known burn wallet on their own. Shiba Burn, the new Shiba Inu burn portal, gives owners a reason to do this by giving them burn Shib tokens. You can then get Ryoshi tokens by putting burn Shib tokens in an Ethereum wallet. The Shiba Swamp Burn portal says that you can get an APR of 19% on Ryoshi tokens right now. At the current price of 2,256 cents, the Shiba Inu Burn site has burned 19 billion Shib tokens, which cost $430,000. Shiba Inu coins were set on fire. Even though a lot of Shiba Inu have been burned over the past few years, using the burn door is still important. Has said that you can now burn that Shib through Amazon. According to the tweet, the Shib Superstore is now part of Amazon's affiliate program, and between 1% and 20% of the price of each purchase will be used to buy Shib tokens that will be burnt. The shop has apps and games that use up all of the